My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Ford S-Max. This vehicle has done just under 53,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and to the right we have voice control. On the first page of our screen we can access navigation, mobile apps, Bluetooth and emergency assistance. On the second page we have Apple and Android CarPlay, valet mode and ambient lighting. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have 7 seats in total. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.